Here's another example of the formula. H equals 5t squared. Okay. If you stand on top of a building here, okay, this is the floor here. If you stand on top of the building, and let's say you drop a cannonball off here, okay. If it takes you stand on top of the building, you drop a cannonball, and then time how long it takes to reach the bottom. Let's say it takes 3 seconds, okay. You can actually work out the height of the building. So h would be the height of the building here, okay. So some scientists they come up with this formula here. We don't know, you don't know how they got to this formula. You're just given this formula, h equals 5t squared. Okay, you don't know how they got there, but you can actually use it. So now let's say you drop a cannonball off here, and it takes 3 seconds to reach the bottom. So we don't understand how they got to this formula, but let's just use it anyway. H is given by 5t squared. Okay, so here 5 here, and this is t here, whatever t is, and then we got to square it. So t is the time it takes to reach the bottom, which is 3 seconds. So put this 3 into here, okay, into the t here. So this would be 3. Okay, so you know, before I told you times is more important than adding and take away. So you've got to do times first. Well, here you've got power here. Can you see that? Power is actually more important than times or that. Yeah, power is up here. It's actually more important than multiplication or adding and taking away. So we've got to do this first. Power. We've got to work out this bubble first. So what I'm trying to say is that you've got to square this first. So 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, and then we'll take the 5 down first. So basically the 5, take it down, and we just basically worked out this bubble here. Okay, so t squared is 9. All right. So let me start again here. So someone gives us a formula, h equals 5t squared. Now we know t's the time. T's it took us 3 seconds for the cannonball to hit the ground. So let's put the 3 into the t. Okay, so it would be 5 t's 3. Well, there's a times here, and then we've got to square the t. Okay, can you see that? We're putting the 3 into the t. So basically now we've got to work out this bubble first, because powers is more important than multiplication. So we've got to work this out first. So let's so here 3 squared is 9. Not because 3 squared means 3 times 3. So let's take the 5 down here. So if I want to work out the h, which is the height of the building, it would just be 5 times 9, which is 45. So the height of this is 45 meters. The point is, don't worry if you don't understand this. But the point that I'm trying to make is that sometimes scientists would give us formulas. We don't actually understand the formula, but we can use it to find out the height of the building if we know the time that it takes. Don't worry if you don't understand this whole thing here. The point is that someone gives us a formula, we can use it. Okay?